Hello, I'm Yara and I'm a cozy cottage artist. Welcome to my art studio and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be sculpting cottages from polymer clay. I usually make my cottages to order, so when an order is placed in my Etsy shop, I make the cottage, and that is what I'm gonna be doing today. And after I'm gonna be packing some orders, so you're very welcome to join me on this gloomy winter day in my cozy art studio. Another year has passed. 2024 is gone now, and we are in yet another January. I do believe that there is always a good time to make some positive changes on ourselves, but this time of the year, I think it's especially suitable to look at our lives and reflect and decide to be even better, healthier, and happier. After all, you deserve to have a healthier and happier life. Me, I'm starting this year with some cozy cottages. I'm very excited to begin a new year with creating and making and painting and sculpting and editing, and with even better mental wealth routine. Last year was full of beauty and aha moments to me, but it was very stressful also. I had too much work and my ADHD made it impossible to focus sometimes. And in some parts of the year, especially when I had a lot of worries, my sleep was terrible. If you watched my videos before, you probably realized I'm all about mental wealth. To me, that means building good habits today to stay healthy and mentally resilient whenever life gets tough. That is why I'm so happy I'm collaborating again with Magic Mind. Their mental performance shots help me to focus and do my work efficiently with a nice creative flow. I have been using Magic Mind for quite some time now, and it has become a nice addition to my working routine. People developing Magic Mind are obviously geniuses and have also mastered the sleep elixir. If you're looking to have a better focus during the day and sleep better during the night, you can check out the link down below where you can get 45% off Magic Mind bundle for focus and sleep. One thing I learned in my years on this earth is that I won't come far if I'm gonna be hard on myself. January is a great month for making a decision to do better, but it also seems to carry so much weight, doesn't it? New year, new goals, high expectations, exciting and also overwhelming. We set all these resolutions for ourselves, and when life inevitably gets messy, we can be so hard on ourselves for not meeting them perfectly. But there's the thing. I am realizing that January isn't about reinventing who I am. It's about gently turning the page and letting myself step into a new chapter, at my own pace. I don't have to override everything and strive for perfection to create a beautiful life for myself. Most of the times, the most meaningful changes are the small ones, the quiet ones. As I sit in my art studio, sculpting these tiny cottages, I think about how art can mirror life. Each new piece starts with a blank canvas or a fresh block of polymer clay in its plastic packaging. And that can feel overwhelming and sometimes scary, but I have learned not to focus too much on the final result when I am not there yet. The best cottages came from focusing really closely on the process itself. I put on one little window at a time, trusting that it will all come together at the end. Maybe this January we can approach ourselves the same way, not expecting perfection, but rather appreciating the process. And be focused on where we are right now. Let's start by appreciating how far we've come. Take a moment to think about it, the challenges you've faced, the lessons you've learned, the ways you've grown. Big and small paths traveled are worth celebrating. And you are still here, which is the biggest achievement of them all. I'm so proud of you. One thing I have been reflecting on beside my past year is the power of small rituals. Whether this is 10-minute morning meditation, making art every day, or striving to post a video here every week. Rituals, big or small, ground me and remind me of who I am and enhance my life with meaning and value. So when it comes down to it, we can put one ritual that doesn't serve us anymore to rest this January, and we can add one new one that we've been meaning to put in there. One ritual that will make us a little happier and calmer is all we need to better ourselves. Let's begin this year with not striving for perfection, but rather with being more present and enhance our lives with habits that feel good to us.
Free flowing,
Let's focus less on pressure to achieve and more on how we want to feel. For me, I want to feel peaceful, fulfilled, and connected. And I surely do feel this way when packaging my art to travel to your homes. I can't thank you enough for your support. I make and paint my cottages to remind you that you are already home. Cottages, after all, are a symbol of home, safety, and warmth. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Don't forget to check out Magic Mind if you need some help with your focus and sleep. You can get 45% off Magic Mind bundle with my link in the description. I hope this video feels like a breath of fresh air today, and I hope that it is a reminder that you are safe, you are home, and you are good enough as you are. Take it one day, one moment, and one window at a time. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.